Hello, friends, family, and strangers. This is Rob with the Trade Box, bringing you another awesome video about MyEtherWallet. So, what is MyEtherWallet? Well, it stores Ethereum and ERC tokens. So, if you need to save and send, you can definitely use this wallet, which acts like a bank, to house your assets. Yeah, a lot of friends ask, hey, I just have Ethereum. Instead of keeping it on Coinbase, where can I send it somewhere safe or safer, or so I can do whatever I need? Or I bought some Dragon Chain tokens. Where would I store that, and where can I save it? Well, my Ether wallet will do it. So you're going to want to go to myetherwallet.com. Always make sure it's a secure connection and valid. There's a lot of phishing sites and spam sites, so they'll obviously trick you into thinking that's your wallet, and next thing you know, you'll be sending and viewing a non-existent wallet if you are not careful. So definitely be careful about that. So the first thing we need to do is create a new wallet by setting a password. And you're going to create a new password. So this password will be for your wallet. Oh, there you go. So make sure you follow the directions. It needs to be at least X number of characters. Okay, once you've saved that, the key store file is the wallet detailed information. What I like to do is save this into a secure location, preferably a USB thumb drive or hard drive that's disconnected from the internet or your personal computer, and or put it in a folder structure that's very secure. And please don't save it on the cloud or anything, because that could be vulnerable for hacks, and once somebody retrieves that information, your account may be hijacked per se. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to click I understand. And this is very valuable. So the private key is the account to your wallet. So think of it like the bank account. If you give that to anybody, they have access and they can just take everything. Again, we just need to be cautious here. So what I like to do is with the key store file, I also like to make a note of it. So I'll create a text file, call it new private key. Open. Just put a note here. Bada bing, bada boom. And I'm going to save. And I'm going to then possibly copy that into a safe location. So once we're done, we're going to say save address, and voila, that's it. You can unlock your wallet at this time to see your address. So there's various ways of doing it. One way I like to do it is using MetaMask Mist or Mist. These are client-side applications, Chrome-based, that add another layer of security in order to unlock your wallet. If you have these two devices, these are really awesome. I believe this is a device as well. You can connect, and it's a very safe way to transfer your assets to to the device quickly. So you can use a key store file, but it's not advisable. This is people can just easily sniff using like bots and whatnot, and take your information, as well as like using the private key. So I'm just going to quickly show you what the MetaMask is. You're going to want to use Chrome because that only works for Chrome, and you're going to use the web store. So you're going to go to the Google web store and then do a quick search for MetaMask. You're going to hit enter, and you're going to add it to Chrome, and you can definitely read up on it. What it is an extension for accessing Ethereum enabled distributed application. So it's just an added layer in order to protect your wallet, so you don't expose your private key, basically. So once you install it, you'll see what it looks like. you'll log in, you'll create a password for that, and it's a nifty way to buy and send very securely. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for testing purposes, I'm just going to use the private key, since this is just a test wallet, just to show you what you'll be doing. So I'm going to unlock my wallet, and boom, there it is. So it's decrypted. Now I can view. A couple things you'll see be dealing with is viewing and sending. So if I were to view, again, I'm going to unlock it, and once it's unlocked, this is your public address. So you can also save that information just for ease of use, or you'll be wanting to have people send you, or if you're on exchange, have your tokens or whatever assets sent to this address. So public key is always the key, the address that you're going to be receiving. And one thing you'll see here is show all tokens. So these are the tokens you would have if you were to send to an ERC-20 address, which this is. But if you bought one of those tokens that are ERC-20, you would click to load, and once the transaction is done, you'll see a balance. So pretty simple. So the beautiful thing is you can always go to the help section and find out a lot more in-depth details about receiving and sending. And sending is just as easy. So if I were to click on send Ether tokens, you would unlock your wallet. And once that's done, you'll see a balance. This is the address you're going to send to. Typically, you're going to use this in order to send Ethereum to an exchange or whatnot. And then you're going to want to specify the amount and set the gas limit. And advance, the data is typically for sending data to ICOs that have smart contracts that need this sort of data. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much how you set up a wallet, and through the MyEtherWallet. And it's a great and simple and easy way to start utilizing this. So one thing I also want to go over for those of you who are interested in investing, I found a great ICO. It's called XinFin. It's a hybrid blockchain that's ending next week. I definitely recommend you reviewing this. What is XinFin? It's a hybrid blockchain company focused on international trade and finance. So they're trying to solve a real world problem with e-commerce. And by hybrid, I mean it provides a private and public blockchain to interact for peer-to-peer and big institutional entities. So here's the ecosystem of the XDC, which is the protocol they're using. They have an exchange called XinFinex. So you can watch the video. One big thing I like are the advisors. They're big head honchos. They know what they're doing. Roger Ver actually came out last week and mentioned that he was part of the XinFin crew, and he obviously believes in this project. Great team. You can check them out. They're all on LinkedIn. A couple of testimonials. You can see where they've been featured. These are the exchange partners, and I know there are more to come. You can check them out on their Telegram. And so the TradeFinex is in beta, so you can imagine they have MVP, and this is just going to be a really awesome blockchain. So this is really in-depth, the technical white paper and the business white paper, obviously explaining the challenges. So you can see, read up what the XDC token is all about. It's the liquidity of it. So this is going to be huge. You have until March 15th, and they're very transparent of what the token distribution is going to be all about. And here's the milestone. So I think we're about right here. So the TradeFinex is coming out, cold storage wallet very soon, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot more once they're all set. So their community is big. Twitter, I've done all my research. All of my friends and family, they're all up on this, so we're really excited. So if you are too, I say go ahead and join. If you have any questions, leave your questions below, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos. And let's just grow and smash and hit the like button and subscribe, and let's make that money. All right, thank you and enjoy.